Hey guys, let's be real for a second. As the years go by, do you ever feel like your energy levels just aren't what they used to be? Maybe your strength in the gym has plateaued, or your confidence has taken a little bit of a hit. Well, I am here to tell you something most people don't realize. Your body is not broken. It's just waiting for the right kind of fuel. What you eat every single day can either light a fire under your vitality or slowly drain it away. And when it comes to that all-important hormone, testosterone, a few smart food choices can completely turn the tide in your favor. Today, we're going to uncover 4 powerful fruits that naturally boost testosterone, and we'll also expose 4 sneaky culprits that might be sabotaging your efforts without you even knowing it. This isn't about complicated diets or expensive, questionable supplements. It's about using nature's simplest tools to reclaim your strength, your stamina, and your sense of masculine power. Your age is not your limit. In fact, it's your launchpad. So men believe that once they cross that 50-year mark, everything starts going downhill. Energy weakens, drive fades, and the strength becomes a distant memory. But that's a myth. The truth is, age isn't the enemy. It's just a new chapter that demands smarter choices and a renewed mindset. Your body is incredibly adaptable. Even after decades of wear and tear, it has a powerful ability to repair, rebuild, and respond when you give it the right environment. Sure, testosterone levels might naturally decline over time, but that doesn't mean your vitality has to fade with it. For men, this stage of life can become a period of renewed strength, clarity, and confidence when they decide to take ownership of their health. Think of your age as a springboard, not a setback. A seasoned athlete uses their experience to outperform younger competitors, and you can use your wisdom and discipline to unlock a new level of physical and mental performance. You've gathered knowledge, resilience, and a perspective that younger guys are still searching for. This gives you an incredible advantage because making a change now isn't about trial and error. It's about applying everything you've learned with intention and focus. When you start making powerful nutritional choices like incorporating those testosterone-boosting fruits we're about to discuss and cutting out the ones that drain your energy, your body responds faster than you might think. Your hormonal balance starts to restore itself, energy levels climb, sleep improves, and that confidence comes roaring back. Men underestimate the power of their small daily decisions. They think transformation requires drastic measures or some kind of overnight miracle. But in reality, it's about choosing the right fuel, the right routines, and the right mindset, day after day. Your body is constantly listening to what you feed it, how you move it, and how you think about it. Every piece of nutritious food, every healthy habit, and every positive thought sends a signal that says, I'm ready to thrive. Over time, these signals build incredible momentum, and that momentum can completely redefine how you feel in your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Society often paints aging as a downward slope, but that narrative is outdated. Modern science, combined with ancient wisdom, shows that men who actively support their hormonal health through diet, exercise, sleep, and mindset can maintain exceptional vitality well into their later years. Testosterone isn't just about physical strength. It influences your mood, your focus, your motivation, and your overall quality of life. When your levels are supported naturally, you experience sharper thinking, improved muscle tone, increased stamina, and a rekindled sense of purpose. It's not about trying to be 20 again, it's about becoming the strongest, healthiest, and the most energized version of yourself right now. This is why it's so crucial to shift your perspective. Instead of seeing 50 as a finish line, see it as a powerful new beginning. This is the moment to stop accepting normal as feeling tired, weak, or uninspired. This is your moment to rewrite your story and show yourself what your body is truly capable of when you stop feeding it things that drain it and start nourishing it with things that ignite it. You've spent years taking care of responsibilities, families, and careers. Now, it's time to take care of you. Age gives you the clarity to see what truly matters, and when you direct that clarity toward your health, incredible things begin to happen. The idea of completely changing your lifestyle can feel overwhelming, especially when we're talking about health, hormones, and the long-term vitality. But real transformation doesn't happen in sudden, dramatic leaps. It happens through steady, deliberate choices that you repeat day after day. The human body thrives on consistency. Just like a strong tree grows from daily sunlight and irregular water, your health flourishes when you nurture it with daily habits that support your goals. It's not about being perfect. It's about committing to small steps that, over time, compound into massive results. Think about it. Choosing a handful of testosterone-boosting fruits each day might seem insignificant at first, but over weeks and months, those nutrients start to build a solid foundation for hormonal balance, improved energy, and a sharper focus. At the same time, reducing your intake of hormone-disrupting foods even just a little at a time lowers inflammation, balances your blood sugar, and allows your body's natural systems to reset. These simple actions, when repeated, have a cumulative effect that can completely transform how you feel from the inside out. When men hit their 50s, men assume that meaningful change requires intense gym sessions, strict diets, or expensive supplements. While those things can have their place, they are not the starting point. The most impactful changes begin with everyday choices that are easy to stick to. Replacing a sugary snack with a nutrient-dense fruit, drinking more water, getting enough sleep, taking a short daily walk. These might seem like minor adjustments, but their effect on testosterone, metabolism, and the overall vitality is profound. The beauty of these small actions is that they're sustainable. They don't rely on sheer willpower, and they won't burn you out after a week. Instead, they build momentum and become natural parts of your daily rhythm. There's also a powerful psychological effect that comes with taking these small, consistent steps. Each time you make a better choice, you reinforce the belief that you are capable of change. This creates a feedback loop. Action builds confidence, and the confidence inspires more action. Over time, these tiny victories shift your identity from someone who tries to be healthy to someone who simply is healthy. Once that shift happens, maintaining good habits becomes so much easier, and your results start to accelerate. Physiologically, your body also responds best to gradual, steady improvement. Sudden, extreme changes can shock your system, leading to burnout or inconsistency. But when you introduce healthier foods, regular movement, and better sleep patterns gradually, your hormones can adapt smoothly. Testosterone production benefits from stable blood sugar, reduced stress, quality sleep, and proper nutrition, all of which are built through repeated daily habits. For example, eating antioxidant-rich fruits every day can steadily reduce oxidative stress, which supports the organs responsible for hormone production. Regular, moderate physical activity improves circulation, supports muscle mass, and enhances your mood, all of which create the perfect environment for testosterone to thrive. The compounding effect of small actions is one of the most underestimated forces in personal health. A single day of improvement might not look like much, but when you repeat the day hundreds of times, the results become undeniable. It's like stacking bricks. Each brick seems insignificant on its own, but together, they build something strong, lasting, and transformative. Your health, energy, and the hormone balance respond in exactly the same way. So, let's start today. By focusing on what you can do right now, not on what seems impossible tomorrow, you gain real control over your well-being and set the stage for meaningful, lasting change. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next one. See you soon!